Hey, I'm Lindsay. I'm here in this gorgeous apartment in the Alexander, just above the historic farmers market, and we are gonna make a cocktail, starting with a slice of lemon. And just run it around the edge of the glass and just roll it in the salt. In this lovely salt mixture is a little bit of thyme, so remember that. Find some ice. This is a really simple cocktail. I'm just using Haskap syrup. It's just to add some color and gorgeous flavor. And then just top this up with sparkling water. You could use tonic and of course a little alcohol if you like. So just have a little bit of fresh thyme here, and it is a lovely way to finish off your cocktail. So before the guests arrive, just dig in. Oh my gosh, that salt and sugar on the rim is like